Watching the Dagrootx YouTube channel, so buckle up, let's go for a ride. What's up? Dagrootx here. I got fenders. Woot woot. It's a classic dad what. I don't think the kids do that anymore. That's okay, because I'm doing kid stuff still. I'm headed to Evan Willer Racing right now to bring you guys a little update on the race truck. We're gonna go check out this shop and see how the truck's coming along. It's getting wired. Also, I wanted to throw these fenders up on the side to see if the rear fenders would might be able to be grafted on there. Who knows? We're gonna drive these fenders over to get the red truck set up. So lots of stuff going on today. Had some time away, so that's what's going on. So I'll pop back in as soon as we get over to Evan Willer Racing. What's up? Here at Evan Willer Racing again, and here's what we got going. Sirens, wires. You guys seen all that before already, but we were just talking about we're getting the fuel sending unit wired up. We got lights going in everywhere. We have the wires for the fans going in. They're not in now. Jeff is building the harness right now, so I'm going to take you over there for real quick, but I wanted to show you what I had an idea. Let me see if I can you think? Cut there. So that might be the option. Obviously it would be cut down here with like a vent type thing there, and it fits fairly well for as far as like right here is concerned. It's pretty cool. Hey, you want to do me a favor? What's up, Evan?
What's happening?
Can you hold that up to the rear fender?
Absolutely.
I don't know if it I'm just testing a theory.
Real mountain
Just
out here, right?
Yeah, when I get that big rear end. So I don't know. These are for my red truck, but like I was like driving, like I'm like, oh, I'll swing by there first and see if it's, because there's obviously nothing available for an Xterra.
Yeah,
So.
no way.
But we'll have wiring up to light bar, which is going to be right here. We got tail lights going to be able to get wired in, so I'm going to be able to use factory tail lights, and I'll have 2 plugs for the fuel sending unit, so that's going to be pretty sweet. So pretty stoked. What you got going, man?
Oh, not too much. How's this thing looking? We got the wire.
Dude, I'm pretty stoked.
It's gonna be really good.
It's gonna be nice, dude.
I'm glad you're going the route with all the
Yeah.
nice DR25 and mil-spec stuff.
Yeah, it's one of those things. I'm like, you know, cry once, buy once, cry once.
Yeah.
You know,
it's gonna pay for itself just with servicing. I mean, there's things coming out really nice, and since you're going with all the nice S-Pod stuff, it makes sense to just wrap it up with all the nice harness.
It fits to have both of the switch pros right there, so we're gonna be able to have drivers and passenger be able to get to both of them. So
Yeah.
pretty stoked.
I think it's coming out pretty good. Jeffrey's done a really good job, and we used all the good stuff. I made him buy this adhesive stuff, or it actually seals the connectors.
Oh yeah,
so
yeah,
that way,
yeah.
I'll
Nice.
show you. It's really.
Here's the harness, by the way. As you can see, it's premium. This is the Raycam it's heat shrink, right? Like, but it's like heavy duty.
High temp, heavy duty. It's pretty hard to heat shrink because it's so heat durable. So, but everything's
sealed.
Sweet. So, and it's all, I mean, we didn't go to the extent like some motorsports harnesses where you concentric.
Oh
like,
yeah. We don't
make everything nice and
it's not that race car.
Wound and woven and beautiful, but we just kind of did it on, I mean, it's definitely on a budget, but it's using all the nice parts.
Yeah,
and,
for sure.
Everything's sealed and all the nice Deutsch connectors.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet to be able to just grab a Deutsch connector and hook everything up.
Yeah, and everything's labeled. Where's my favorite label on here?
Did you put it on yet? Not yet.
You got a special label for me?
Yeah.
Sick. Dig it.
That'll wrap it all up, and it'll even have a part number on there too.
Nice. Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, it's coming out good. Where's that big plug you got, or what you're gonna get?
It's similar to
the aircraft style.
So this is a used one, but
yeah,
put another one like that
bulkhead.
on. So that way you don't have to, like Jeffrey was saying before, you don't have to butt connect to the harness for these.
Yeah.
But I mean, this is coming out really nice.
Cool, man.
Split there,
and you used what was it? It's TXL wire. TXL wire, so it's really good.
It's
heat resistant and
above the AutoZone wire.
Yeah,
but it's just
zinc coated
down from the mill spec. It's still really good wire.
Yeah, for sure.
Cost effective.
Trying to get this done, hopefully in the next week or so, end of week. If not, you guys got racing to do always, right? So
yeah.
Maybe.
Stuff, not as much.
So.
It sounded like you were gonna try and put the harness in tomorrow.
Yeah, as soon as I get the bulkhead, I'm gonna put the bulkhead on the harness and get that in the car.
And that requires, like, you got to do special crimping for those pins and stuff.
Yes,
it requires like that's like some
full
high-end stuff, like these special
Deutsch
crimpers. Yeah.
With the nice BMC crimper.
Those things aren't cheap. So cool, man.
The jelly.
Resin.
Ooh,
Sealed.
resin jelly? Dang.
That's the good stuff.
Special sauce.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, cool, man. You guys are doing the extra mile stuff. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Got an extra mile shop. All kinds of stuff going on in here. Oh, cool.
And then once you get this whole thing dialed in and get everything on the computer, then we can decide if we want to get all that little fab stuff knocked out.
Yeah,
or how we want to proceed with that.
For sure. All right, see you later. All right, Big Red's getting some parts, and while we're here, look what look what's here. Pretty fresh looking 240. Looking fresh. Gotta love that, huh? Big Red looking not so fresh. Gotta get rid of this. So the back end's already done. Looks like they got this thing all fitted back, all tacked in. So this is basically all done in here, all flattened up. And then it's just a matter of busting all this apart. We're gonna get this fixed and then cleaning all that up so that these fenders can go on. All these need to be drilled out right there, and then it basically gets glued on with a kind of special type of glue. You can see it's double walled here, so it'll glue into there, right up against there. So, and then the back of the truck is done as well. So I'll run out there and we'll show you that. So Cosmos to the back of the truck is done as well. Look, that's all painted and freshened up, nice and clean. So that's all good to go. So as you can see, yeah, that thing's fresh. Looks like they painted kind of that bottom section. So we're good to go. Seam sealer down in here. So we're looking nice and fresh. Pretty stoked. This, not so fresh. But it's coming along. Hopefully maybe a week, I think. Should be good to go. There you have it, guys. As you can see, the trucks aren't home yet, but I have a lot of stuff going on. Yes, it's not in my garage because it's getting stuff done that I can't do here. So thank you for watching. It's gonna be rad. It's gonna be done. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. And hopefully it's gonna be everything I dreamed of. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time when we go to the shop and it's done. And when the race truck is done, it's done. When the red truck's done, it's done. Well, I say done, but there's always stuff to do. So thanks for following along, and we'll see you next time, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.